Virginia Motorcycle Permit Practice Test 2.
Question 1. If you are about to collide with an object and you wish to get the motorcycle to lean quickly to the right, you should
push the inside of the left handle grip. Push the inside of the right handle grip. Pull the left handle grip towards you. Pull the right handle grip towards you.
Answer.
Push the inside of the right handle grip.
Question 2. Before starting your motorcycle engine, your transmission should be in
neutral, first gear, third gear, second gear.
Answer.
Neutral.
Question 3. What does the right foot pedal control?
The rear brake, the gear shifter, the front brake, the clutch.
Answer.
The rear brake.
Question 4. It may be important to change your lane position if you are
riding in a residential area, riding on a multi-lane road, being followed, approaching a blind intersection.
Answer.
Approaching a blind intersection.
Question 5. Is prohibited when riding downhill?
Shifting gears, coasting in neutral gear, slowing down, increasing your speed.
Answer.
Coasting in neutral gear.
Question 6. The best way to swerve is to
pull in the clutch and apply the rear brake. Brake while you are swerving. Press the hand grip in the direction you want to turn while avoiding braking. Press the hand grip in the opposite direction you want to turn.
Answer.
Press the hand grip in the direction you want to turn while avoiding braking.
Question 7. If it is not possible to ride straight while crossing rail tracks, you should cross them at a degree angle.
90, 45, 30, 10.
Answer.
45.
Question 8. When passing another vehicle,
you must not exceed the speed limit. You should ride close to the road edge. Turn on your hazard lights. Ride in the highest gear.
Answer.
You must not exceed the speed limit.
Question 9. When being passed by another vehicle, you must be alert for
things being thrown from vehicles. All these answers are correct. Extended side mirrors. Blasts of wind.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 10. Head checks while riding motorcycles
should be performed before changing lanes. Only need to be done when preparing a left turn. Are not required because motorcycles do not have blind spots. Only need to be done at night.
Answer.
Should be performed before changing lanes.
Question 11. Each plan of traffic has positions for a motorcycle to travel.
4, 1, 3, 2.
Answer.
3.
Question 12. When preparing to pass a vehicle ahead of you, you should ride in the lane position.
Right or center? Right. Center. Left.
Answer.
Left.
Question 13. Only drinking 1 drink per hour
Is the legal limit for males. Ensures you will not be over the legal limit. Prevents drunkenness if drinking beer. Does not guarantee you will not be affected by the alcohol.
Answer.
Does not guarantee you will not be affected by the alcohol.
Question 14. Accelerating in a curve
Should not be done. Should be done only in small curves. Helps stabilize the motorcycle. Is for experienced riders only.
Answer.
Helps stabilize the motorcycle.
Question 15. When stopping or slowing down, the most effective method is to use
Engine braking only. The rear brake only. The front brake only. Both brakes.
Answer.
Both brakes.
Question 16. At minimum, a street-legal motorcycle should have which of the following equipment?
All these answers are correct. Front and rear brakes. Horn and 2 mirrors. Headlight, tail light, brake light and turn signals.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 17. When scanning road conditions, you should be looking for
Traffic conditions. Escape routes. Road conditions. All of the above.
Answer.
All of the above.
Question 18. Rising off the seat slightly
Helps use your knees and elbows to absorb shock. Should be done to fix a wobble. Is prohibited while riding motorcycles. Should only be done by experienced drivers.
Answer.
Helps use your knees and elbows to absorb shock.
Question 19. The rear brake on a motorcycle is operated by
The right hand lever. The left hand lever. A foot pedal. A button on the hand grip.
Answer.
A foot pedal.
Question 20. If your front tire fails while riding, you should
Avoid using the rear brake. Use engine braking to slow down. Shift your weight to the rear to help maintain stability. Shift your weight to the front to help maintain stability.
Answer.
Shift your weight to the rear to help maintain stability.
Question 21. To stop safely on a curve you should
Lean the opposite way of the motorcycle. Make the motorcycle perpendicular to the surface of the road. Take your feet off the foot pegs for balance. Keep your knees against the gas tank.
Answer.
Make the motorcycle perpendicular to the surface of the road.
Question 22. You can initiate a swerve by
downshifting gears, pressing the hand grip of the opposite direction you want to swerve, pressing the hand grip of the direction you want to swerve, applying the rear brake.
Answer.
Pressing the hand grip of the direction you want to swerve.
Question 23. When crossing rail tracks, you should cross at a 90-degree angle.
In residential and rural areas, unless that path will take into an oncoming traffic lane. At all times. Only when signs tell you to.
Answer.
Unless that path will take into an oncoming traffic lane.
Question 24. How often should you check the tires on your motorcycle?
Every time you ride. At the start of every season. Once a month. Once a week.
Answer.
Every time you ride.
Question 25. If you can't cross an obstacle straight on, you should cross at an angle of at least degrees.
20, 90, 45, 105.
Answer.
45.
Question 26. Drugs can affect your ability to ride.
Illegal. All these answers are correct. Every day. Prescription.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 27. If your throttle is stuck and twisting it does not release it, you should
use the front brake only. Pull the kill engine switch. Use engine braking. Apply both brakes.
Answer.
Pull the kill engine switch.
Question 28. You must use the high beam lights of your motorcycle when you are a vehicle at night.
Not following or meeting. Meeting. Following. All these answers are correct.
Answer.
Not following or meeting.
Question 29. If approaching a blind intersection with the stop line, where should you stop?
At the stop line only. On the stop line. At the stop line first, then further to help see. Past the stop line, where you can see clearly.
Answer.
At the stop line first, then further to help see.
Question 30. Most of your motorcycle's stopping power is provided by
the front and rear brake equally. The rear brake. The front brake. The clutch.
Answer.
The front brake.
Question 31. The edge of the road is dangerous for motorcycles because
dirt and gravel provide little traction. It is not driven on often. The pavement is poor quality. There is poor visibility.
Answer.
Dirt and gravel provide little traction.
Question 32. Motorcycle drivers cannot drive on highways.
At night, because your lights aren't bright enough. Without a helmet and proper protective gear. Unless you can travel safely at the minimum posted speed. During rush hour.
Answer.
Unless you can travel safely at the minimum posted speed.
Question 33. Help stabilize your motorcycle in a turn by
decreasing the throttle, increasing the throttle, pulling in the clutch, applying the rear brake.
Answer.
Increasing the throttle.
Question 34. To help maintain balance during a turn, you should
maintain or increase your speed. Decrease or maintain your speed. Drag your outside foot for support. Drag your inside foot for support.
Answer.
Maintain or increase your speed.
Question 35. Choosing the best lane position helps you to.
All these answers are correct. Stay out of blind spots. Avoid road hazards. Communicate what you plan to do.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 36. It is important to check your mirrors when
you are about to slow down. Stopped at an intersection. You are about to change lanes. All of the above.
Answer.
All of the above.
Question 37. If you want to carry a passenger, your motorcycle must have.
All these answers are correct. Footrests for the passenger. Special shocks. A windshield.
Answer.
Footrests for the passenger.
Question 38. When at an intersection, you must especially watch for
irregular traffic signals. Rows of parked cars. People trying to share your lane. Cars turning left in front of you.
Answer.
Cars turning left in front of you.
Question 39. When should the right lane position be avoided?
When there is a hazard in the center of the road. When being passed by another vehicle. The right should never be avoided. When riding through a school zone.
Answer.
When being passed by another vehicle.
Question 40. Your body can be affected by alcohol after as little as drinks.
4. 1. 2. 6.
Answer.
1.
Question 41. When riding with a passenger, How should you adjust your control of the motorcycle?
Ride slower. Ride faster. Only ride in the center lane position. Only ride in the left lane position.
Answer.
Ride slower.
Question 42. In which of the following situations is it important to change your lane position?
When a car is trying to share a lane with you. When passing parked cars. When being passed by other vehicles. All of the above.
Answer.
All of the above.
Question 43. What is the best path through a curve?
Close to the edge of the road. The center of the road. It is different for each curve. Close to the center line.
Answer.
It is different for each curve.
Question 44. While driving in the city and looking ahead for hazards, you should be checking at least ahead
2 blocks. 3 blocks. 1/2 block. 1 block.
Answer.
1/2 block.
Question 45. As a motorcycle driver, you can use your feet to maintain balance by
Keeping them on the footrests. Skimming them above the ground. Pointing your toes downwards. Holding them away from the motorcycle.
Answer.
Keeping them on the footrests.
Question 46. How can you initiate a swerve while riding a motorcycle?
Press the hand grip on the side you wish to swerve. Press the hand grip on the opposite side you wish to swerve. Press the footrest on the side you wish to swerve. Press the footrest on the opposite side you wish to swerve.
Answer.
Press the hand grip on the side you wish to swerve.
Question 47. You are being closely followed and as you approach an intersection, the light turns yellow. What should you do?
Beep your horn to warn the driver. Accelerate to make it through the light. Tap your brake to flash your brake light. Move into another lane.
Answer.
Tap your brake to flash your brake light.
Question 48. If you think your throttle is sticking, you should immediately
pull the engine cutoff switch. Pull off the road. Twist it back and forth. Apply both brakes smoothly.
Answer.
Twist it back and forth.
Question 49. When making a routine stop at a stop sign, you should
use the rear brake only. Use the front brake only. Use both front and rear brakes. Gear down until rolling to a stop.
Answer.
Use both front and rear brakes.
Question 50. When making turns on the road, a motorcycle rider must, before entering a turn,
use the front brake. Not change gears. Lean her body at a 45-degree angle. Change gears.
Answer.
Change gears. Thank you for watching the video and wish you will get your driver license soon.